Welcome, you're watching Come Chat With Me. And I'm live in the kitchen today, inside of BBK's, inside of the city. And trust me, we'll have it locked today with Chef Patrick Simpson, the #1 chef in New York City. Them for know that. See? So keep it locked. In the kitchen. We're inside the kitchen now, as you can see. Next to the chef himself, Chef Patrick Simpson.
Yeah,
man, chef.
Yo, listen, man. It's gonna be a problem, man.
Yes,
Druhill is in the building tonight.
Oh, could I forget that?
Yo.
Druhill, keep it locked. Mad team. Druhill, BB King, the chef. Chef Simpson, mad man.
Alright.
So what you prepare for us today?
Listen,
more know still know what's going on.
You know where I do.
Yeah.
I take it back a yard.
Definitely, man.
Walker's Wood. I'm gonna do a jerk. I'm gonna do a jerk salmon. I'm gonna finish it off with some of the bad pickle, escovitch. Again from Walker's Wood. So we're gonna put it together. Nice jerk salmon, Walker's Wood, finish him up with some mango salsa, jasmine rice. Listen, it's gonna be crazy. Yeah. Yo, you just came in. You saw the girls outside. You saw the line, yo.
The line crazy already.
The line crazy. Who that? Mr. Tang.
For real. Alright. Years I'm not seeing, but I'm gonna see him tonight. So keep it locked. I'm gonna let the chef do him thing and get out of the way. Enough as Ziggy bless. A Chef Simpson time now. Keep it locked. Come chat with me.
Alright, watch out now. So here what? Today, like I said, we are doing a jerk salmon with the bad escovitch. So you want me now. Now make it real simple. So right now me have a Walker's Wood jerk season, bump on the salmon. And before that, I done have it marinate already with the Walker's Wood marinade. So I use the Walker's Wood marinade, put it together, and marinate them up real good. Make him look real good and sexy. That's what I'm talking about. That's a jerk salmon right there. Salmon looking real nice. Salmon looking real nice. Just drizzle a little bit of the jerk marinade over him. Nice. Let him stay there, make him go and cook a little bit more. To make my jerk sauce, I already have my garlic, my onion, the pepper, everything over there, so I'm going to saute. I'm going to twist them up a little bit, and I'm going to go with a little bit of the jerk marinade right inside of it just to get out that flavor. I'm going to go right at the oven to finish him up. Right at the oven to finish him up and let him stay right there. Right now the salmon will cook. It's gonna cook for another 5 minutes, then I'm gonna take it out and we're gonna go right in the plating presentation. Then we're gonna go chat with Mr. Cisco himself, the Druhill, right here inside BB King.
Hey, what's up? I'm Sharice Marie and we are here at BB King's to see the legendary quartet Druhill.
Tell me what you need. Tell me it ain't good enough for you, babe. Tell me.
I love all their songs.
You love all their songs. What's your favorite?
I can't even actually say that because I actually do love all their songs. It's really hard.
Sleeping in my bed.
Well, that's number one.
Number one.
Number one, yes, that's number one. Okay. The rest follows behind that one, but that one speaks volume.
I've been a fan since I was like 12. I'm 32 now, so whenever I'm in a city that they're in, I go see them.
Druhill, the 90s phenomenal group that was busting down things. Yeah, I'm coming here to see them because BB Kings, they always give you the throwbacks, and I'm here for the throwbacks.
That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna take the salmon out right now because this salmon looking real good right now. Looking real good. That's what I'm talking about. Nice. Nice good. And a nice medium to medium rare cook. You don't want to cook the salmon too dry. I'm gonna shoot you a nice medium rare. The salmon looking nice and pretty. I come right over here. Put them right there. And then I come right over here. I'm gonna take a nice sauce. I'm gonna go right over the top. Real simple. I make the sauce run right off. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Let him run right off. Alright. Clean up my plate nice and pretty because you know how your boy is already. And I'm gonna finish him off with a nice charred lemon on the side. Take some of my pickle. And I'm gonna go right here on the side. So you can have a little bit of spicy and a little bit of vinegar. Right up on the side right there. So I'll make him look nice and pretty. A little bit of garnish right on top. Keep them simple. That's what I'm talking about.
I want to say, outside of music, you guys set the bar.
Hey, baby.
Set the bar like right here when it comes to men's fashion. I don't care what to say, what to do.
No, that's right.
And what the men do to the ladies.
Because we do it to the ladies.
They do it to the ladies.
Like Michael Douglas.
Yeah. So what brought about this tour? After so many years, you guys are like just still doing it right. Like, who wants to say something first?
Well, I mean, the reality is we were all raising families and everything. So, like 2008, I think it was, we decided to get back out here and let people know that we still do what we do. And really, it's just been like a campaign, city to city, state to state, setting stages on fire, letting people know, like, real R&B is still here. If you live life and you show up for it every day, you learn and you grow. And that's kind of just the center of, what we do. Like, we live real lives, we go through real stuff, and we bring it to the stage.